The world is changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming industries. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is creating incredible opportunities. The demand for AI solutions is skyrocketing. Businesses and individuals are eager to harness the power of AI. AI can automate tasks, improve decision-making, and create new products and services. This technological revolution is opening doors for entrepreneurs and innovators. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, there's a place for you in the world of AI. Software as a Service, or SaaS, is a popular business model. AI is taking SaaS to the next level. AI SaaS products offer intelligent solutions through the cloud. These solutions can be accessed anytime, anywhere. AI SaaS is perfect for businesses that want to leverage AI without heavy investment. Think of AI-powered marketing platforms. These platforms analyze data to optimize campaigns, or imagine AI-driven customer relationship management systems. These systems personalize interactions and automate sales processes. The possibilities are endless. Building an AI SaaS product is a journey. It's a path filled with challenges, learning opportunities, and moments of triumph. Just like any journey, it requires careful planning, dedication, and a clear vision of the destination. In this guide, we'll walk you through each step of the process, from the initial idea to the final product launch. It starts with identifying a problem that AI can solve. This is the foundation of your product. Without a clear problem to address, your AI solution will lack direction and purpose. Spend time brainstorming and discussing with your team. Look for gaps in the market or inefficiencies in existing processes. The more specific the problem, the better your chances of creating a successful product. Focus on a specific niche. Trying to solve too many problems at once can dilute your efforts and make it harder to achieve excellence in any one area. By narrowing your focus, you can tailor your AI solution to meet the unique needs of a particular group. Conduct thorough market research to understand the pain points and preferences of your target audience. This will help you design a product that truly resonates with them. Do you want to help businesses with marketing, sales, or customer service? Each of these areas has its own set of challenges and opportunities. For instance, in marketing, AI can be used to analyze consumer behavior and optimize ad campaigns. In sales, it can help with lead scoring and personalized outreach. In customer service, AI-powered chatbots can provide instant support and improve customer satisfaction. Choose the area where you can make the most impact. Once you have a problem in mind, you need to validate your idea. Talk to potential customers, understand their pain points. Conduct interviews, surveys, and focus groups to gather insights. This step is crucial because it ensures that there is a real demand for your solution. It also helps you refine your idea based on feedback. Remember, the goal is to create a product that people will actually use and find valuable. Next, you need to develop your AI model. This is where the technical work begins. Start by defining the requirements and specifications for your model. What kind of data will it need? What algorithms will you use? How will you measure its performance? Collaborate with data scientists and developers to build a robust and scalable model. This phase may involve several iterations and testing to ensure accuracy and reliability. This requires data, lots of it. Data is the lifeblood of any AI model. The more high-quality data you have, the better your model will perform. Collect data from various sources such as databases, APIs, and user interactions. Ensure that your data is clean, relevant, and representative of the problem you're trying to solve. Data preprocessing and augmentation techniques can help improve the quality and diversity of your dataset. You can use open-source datasets or collect your own. Open-source datasets are a great starting point, especially if you're working on a tight budget. They provide a wealth of information that can be used to train and test your model. However, for more specialized applications, you may need to collect your own data. This could involve running surveys, setting up data collection mechanisms, or partnering with organizations that have access to relevant data. Then, choose a suitable framework for building your model. The right framework can significantly streamline the development process and enhance the performance of your AI solution. Popular frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch offer a range of tools and libraries that make it easier to implement complex algorithms and manage large datasets. Evaluate the features, community support, and compatibility of different frameworks to find the best fit for your project. TensorFlow and PyTorch are popular options. TensorFlow, developed by Google, is known for its flexibility and scalability. It's widely used in both research and industry. PyTorch, on the other hand, is favored for its ease of use and dynamic computation graph, which makes it a great choice for experimentation and prototyping. Both frameworks have extensive documentation and active communities, so you can find plenty of resources and support to help you along the way. Once your model is ready, deploy it on a cloud platform like AWS or Azure. Cloud platforms provide the infrastructure and tools needed to scale your AI solution and make it accessible to users. They offer services for data storage, model training and deployment, as well as monitoring and maintenance. Choose a platform that aligns with your technical requirements and budget. Consider factors like performance, security, and ease of integration with other tools. Finally, create a user-friendly interface. The success of your AI product depends not only on its technical capabilities, but also on how easily users can interact with it. Design an intuitive and visually appealing interface that simplifies complex tasks and enhances the user experience. Conduct usability testing to identify any issues and gather feedback for improvements. Remember, a well-designed interface can significantly boost user adoption and satisfaction. Make sure your product is easy to use and integrate with existing tools. Seamless integration with other software and systems can greatly enhance the value of your AI solution. Provide clear documentation and support to help users get started and troubleshoot any issues. Continuously gather feedback and make updates to ensure that your product remains relevant and effective. With the right approach, your AI SaaS product can become an indispensable tool for your target audience. AI chatbots are revolutionizing customer service. These intelligent virtual assistants can interact with customers in real time. They can answer questions, resolve issues, and provide support around the clock. Businesses can deploy chatbots on their websites, messaging apps, and social media platforms. Imagine a chatbot that helps customers track their orders, or a chatbot that provides instant answers to frequently asked questions. Chatbots can significantly improve customer satisfaction and reduce response times. Section 5. Creating intelligent chatbots, from concept to reality. Building a chatbot requires careful planning and execution. Start by defining the chatbot's purpose and target audience. What tasks will it perform? Who will it interact with? Once you have a clear vision, choose a chatbot development framework. Dialogflow and BotPress are popular choices. Next, design the chatbot's conversational flow. Create a series of interactions that guide users towards their goals. Use natural language processing, or NLP, to make the chatbot understand and respond to human language. Finally, integrate your chatbot with messaging platforms and test it thoroughly. Remember, a well-designed chatbot can become a valuable asset to your business. Section 6. Custom AI tailored solutions for unique challenges. Sometimes off-the-shelf AI solutions don't cut it. That's where custom AI comes in. Custom AI models are built from the ground up to address specific business needs. Take the healthcare industry, for example. Custom AI models can analyze medical images to detect diseases. In finance, AI can personalize investment strategies. Logistics companies can use AI to optimize delivery routes. The possibilities are limitless. Section 7. Developing custom AI, a collaborative journey. Developing custom AI models is a collaborative effort. It is a journey that brings together the expertise and creativity of various professionals, each contributing their unique skills and perspectives. This process is not just about technology, it's about people working together towards a common goal. It requires data scientists, domain experts, and software engineers working together. Each team member plays a crucial role in the development process. Data scientists bring their knowledge of data analysis and machine learning, while domain experts provide insights into the specific industry or problem being addressed. Software engineers, on the other hand, ensure that the AI models are effectively integrated into the existing systems. The first step is to define the problem and gather relevant data. This involves understanding the specific challenges that need to be addressed and identifying the data that will be most useful in developing a solution. The team collaborates to ensure that they have a clear understanding of the problem and the data requirements. Then, data scientists will clean, pre-process, and analyze the data to extract meaningful insights. This step is critical as the quality of the data directly impacts the performance of the AI model. Data cleaning involves removing any errors or inconsistencies in the data, while pre-processing involves transforming the data into a format that can be used by the AI algorithms. Next, they will select appropriate algorithms and train the AI model. The choice of algorithms depends on the specific problem and the nature of the data. Training the model involves feeding it with data and allowing it to learn patterns and relationships within the data. This is an iterative process that requires careful tuning and optimization to achieve the best results. This involves feeding the model with data and adjusting its parameters until it achieves the desired accuracy. The team continuously monitors the performance of the model and makes adjustments as needed. This step is crucial as it ensures that the model is accurate and reliable. Once the model is ready, it needs to be integrated into existing systems and thoroughly tested. Integration involves ensuring that the AI model works seamlessly with other software and systems. Testing is essential to identify any issues or bugs and to ensure that the model performs as expected in real-world scenarios. Developing custom AI is an iterative process that requires constant feedback and refinement. The team regularly reviews the progress of the project and makes necessary adjustments. Feedback from users and stakeholders is invaluable in this process as it helps to identify areas for improvement and ensures that the final product meets the needs of the end users. This collaborative journey is a testament to the power of teamwork and the incredible potential of AI technology. Section 8. Marketing and selling your AI products. Building a great AI product is only half the battle. The journey from concept to market success is filled with challenges and opportunities. While the technical aspects of developing an AI product are crucial, the importance of marketing and selling cannot be overstated. You also need to market and sell it effectively. This involves not just creating awareness about your product but also convincing potential customers of its value. A well-thought-out marketing strategy can make the difference between a product that sits on the shelf and one that flies off it. Start by identifying your target audience. Understanding who your ideal customers are is the foundation of any successful marketing campaign. Conduct thorough market research to gather insights about your potential customers' demographics, preferences, and behaviors. Who are your ideal customers? Create detailed customer personas that represent different segments of your target audience. These personas should include information such as age, gender, occupation, interests, and pain points. The more detailed your personas, the better you can tailor your marketing efforts. What are their needs and pain points? Conduct interviews and focus groups to dive deeper into the challenges your potential customers face. This qualitative data will complement your quantitative research and provide a holistic view of your audience's needs. Once you understand your audience, craft a compelling message. Your marketing message should clearly communicate how your AI product addresses the specific needs and pain points of your target audience. Use language that resonates with them and highlights the unique value proposition of your product. Highlight the benefits of your product. Instead of focusing solely on features, emphasize the benefits that your product offers. How does it improve the lives of your customers? How does it solve their problems more effectively than other solutions on the market? How can it help businesses save time, reduce costs, or increase revenue? Provide concrete examples and case studies that demonstrate the tangible benefits of your product. This will help build credibility and trust with your audience. Use a variety of marketing channels to reach your audience. Content marketing, social media, and online advertising can be effective. Each channel has its strengths, and a multi-channel approach ensures that you reach your audience wherever they are. And online advertising can be effective. Invest in targeted digital ad campaigns to reach specific segments of your audience. Use analytics to track the performance of your ads and optimize them for better results. Don't underestimate the power of networking and attending industry events. These events provide valuable opportunities to connect with potential customers, partners, and industry influencers. Face-to-face interactions can leave a lasting impression and open doors to new business opportunities. Building relationships with potential customers and partners can go a long way. Networking is not just about making sales, it's about building a community around your product. Engage with your audience, listen to their feedback, and continuously improve your product based on their needs. Email marketing is another powerful tool in your arsenal. Create personalized email campaigns that nurture leads and keep your audience informed about product updates, special offers, and industry news. Personalization can significantly increase engagement and conversion rates. Leverage customer testimonials and reviews. Positive feedback from satisfied customers can be a powerful endorsement for your product. Showcase these testimonials on your website, social media, and marketing materials to build trust and credibility. Consider influencer marketing as well. Partnering with influencers who have a strong following in your industry can help you reach a wider audience. Influencers can provide authentic endorsements and create engaging content that showcases your product in action. Continuously monitor and analyze your marketing efforts. Use analytics tools to track the performance of your campaigns and gather insights about what works and what doesn't. This data-driven approach will help you make informed decisions and optimize your marketing strategy for better results. Finally, celebrate your successes and learn from your failures. Marketing and selling an AI product is a dynamic and ongoing process. Stay adaptable, keep experimenting, and always strive to improve. With the right approach, your AI product can achieve the market success it deserves. Section 9. The Future of AI, a Continuous Journey of Innovation. The field of AI is constantly evolving. New breakthroughs are happening all the time. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to embrace continuous learning. Attend conferences, read research papers, and experiment with new tools and technologies. As AI becomes more sophisticated, we can expect to see even more innovative applications. From personalized medicine to climate change mitigation, AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. The future of AI is bright, and the possibilities are endless.